Hello everyone, Walt here again with another principle in our life hack series, these 101 ways to be happy on a daily basis. So here we are with our fifth principle in the series, and this one is another good one, and this is all just about doing something you've never done before but have always wanted to try. So a lot of us don't always do the things we want to do. I mean, I kind of try to make an effort to do that on almost a daily basis, to go out and try some things I've always wanted to do, but there are clearly things I want to do that are too big or too scary to go after on a daily basis. But there are also some small things that I probably just don't do on a day-to-day basis that I could do that would really make me happier, that would be something new to try, that would be really adventurous. I sometimes think of this almost when it comes to, funny example, but I think of TV shows. I'm one of those people who really likes to watch what I've seen before, what I know, and I don't know why that is, because when I try new things, I almost always love them, okay? But I'm always a little bit timid about trying things, and I prefer to rewatch some of my favorite stuff over and over again. So the way I kind of use this principle is I'm willing to go out and try, new games or new TV shows in my own way. And that's really the thing about these principles is they're usually something small, okay? Because as human beings, for some reason, we have our mindset on the big, okay, as being important, and we really overlook the small things. Our day is full of a lot of really good small things, yet we seem to pay no attention to them. And we only seem to think something's big if like all the details are there and it all just works out and it's something really huge. It's like we think that we're just gonna come up like for the idea for like Microsoft or Apple in one day, and we're just gonna make it happen overnight. We're gonna have this like big company, and then that's what life's about. It's something big, it's something big achievement. I'm just gonna write my thesis overnight, or I'm gonna come up with the cure for cancer in one day. For cancer is not even just one thing, it's a lot of different things leading to cells performing in that way. So you can't just make something happen overnight in many cases. A lot of it is day in and day out, kind of just doing a little bit. And I've talked about that in some of my other videos about like running life at the right pace, but really I can't stress how the small can be such a big friend of yours in this process. So when you try something new, go after something small, okay? Just try something new. It can just be, if you've never had water out of this drinking fountain, go to that drinking fountain. Assuming you're not in like Flint, Michigan or somewhere where you're gonna have problems with your drinking fountains, or in a place that doesn't, have government provided things like that. Thanks a lot, even Europe on that one. Something USDA does right, but I'm kind of just going on at this point. But yeah, try something new you've never done before, give it a shot, and let me know how it turns out for you. So thanks for watching. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.